Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on spoken content, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on chip in feedback, just click on it. You come here to how to speak predictions here. Click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.